Jai Hind to all. Today our lecture topic is CPEC, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. It's a long road route more than length of 3000 km which connect the Kasdhar place in West China to the Gwadar port of Baluchistan province of Pakistan. So firstly we need to understand what are the intentions of China to build this project, to start this project. Firstly, coming to the point of trading. For oil trading, petroleum trading, China do this from Arabian countries, and the route of that trading is through South China Sea, then to State of Malacca, then Bay of Bengal, Sri Lanka, then to Arabian Sea, then to Arabian countries. So it is a 6 times more longer route than the CPEC. It take more cost, much cost. And also the disputes in the South China Sea. We know that ASEAN countries and China, there is a disputes between them. They all claim that the Spratly and Parcel Islands, they claimed for that that is a conflicted island which are the cause of dispute there. So it is a bit difficult for China to do trading from that route. So to eradicate this problem, China start this project CPEC, which is a short route as we compare to the previous route, 3000 km route, which directly connect to the Arabian countries through Gwadar port. Now, what are the impacts on Pakistan? So Pakistan impact, definitely if we're talking about the positive impact, then definitely there will be, we see the improvement, there we'll see the infrastructure development there, because due to this project the people there start job, because it directly linked to the China. Definitely there will be a improvement in the development there, infrastructure there. And if we're talking about the Pakistan, India, then this CPEC, it passes through the Pakistan occupied Kashmir, which also China in Pakistan known as Gilgit-Baltistan area. If we're talking about the current scene, what in China and in Pakistan play a game. So China convinced Pakistan, and what Pakistan do? Pakistan actually have 4 provinces, and Pakistan try to make a Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan occupied Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan their fifth province. So China will not find any difficulty to start this project, to complete this project. Sorry. So there is also they both played a game here, and the second impact on India is that if China may enhance its military capability along the whole route, so China covered the northern part of India from north, east and west. Then it's a bit difficult for India to counter the China. Not impossible, but a bit difficult for India to counter the China. And if we're talking about what India do to counter this strategy China plan. So China also purchased one terminal of a Chahawar port in Iran, which is just 70 to 75 km from Gwadar port. So we can counter the China strategy if China does in the future some illegal activities. So we can counter the China by increasing our also military capability in the Chahawar port. So we can counter the China from that port also. So thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello everyone. As per today's my lecture topic, that is CPEC. So first of all, we have to understand what is CPEC. CPEC is a China-Pakistan economic corridor. And what is CPEC and what connects the CPEC? It connects the Kashnagar, which is in Xinjiang province in China, and that connects the Gwadar port, which is in Baluchistan in Pakistan. That connects both the place by the CPEC, and through this CPEC the 3000 km road is made by the China, and where there is their road is not possible, so they can make a railway over there. And also there is airports on the on this way is also developed, and railway station is also developed in this corridor. And the money, this if we talking about the how much they spend of money in this economic corridor, there is 46 billion of money which is spent by the China. And if we're talking about why China is very interested in this corridor, China is importing oil from the Arab nations, and that took the longest way, which is comes from the state of Malacca, then comes into the South China Sea, and then come to the China's port, and that comes to the China's east portion, and that took a very long time to reach China. And if we're talking about this way, that is the CPEC. So through the CPEC, the China can import the oil through the Strait of Hormuz, and that is from the Arab nation. they import the oil from that nations, and they come through the Gwadar, and that reached China in a very shortest period. And the oil, the most work of oil which is work on the east portion of the China, and there is only 6% of the population of China is living over there. So that is why China is very interested in this CPEC. And why China is take it as an alternative. We know that in these days there is a lots of dispute, and there is a lots of disturbance in the South China Sea. So that is why China is taking an alternative as a CPEC. And if there is a disturbance, China is not able to import the oil, so China is import from that this way. So that is why China is very interested to make the CPEC. So in my opinion, I just want to say that India is also be very careful about that, because we can see that China is just stop the importing oil from the where there is India, there is a control of India. So India must have to develop, as all we know that the India is also developing the counter the state of pulse of China as a necklace of diamond. So that is a good strategy of India, and in future India is also have to make a good friendship relations for the neighbor countries, and that helps India's in the hard time. Thank you very much.